you guys, so listen to the welcome to my channel. Today's vlog, we are about to visit Scott said, continue taking a drive. You enjoying? Also for the first time going to Scott said, so we take a little trip. Hello. Ready to experience a new spot, a new place. That is it. You're towards the tree. You're too short. You're too short. The AC only got put down the glass. Right to the trees. It's also spinning. Kayaking? So is that Scott said 18 you sleepy?
You're sleeping already?
18 you fall asleep. True boy, a short drive down there. Well, yes, daily we reach, so you can see how far we go and to take our walk.
To see Magnic on that side.
Yeah. That already there, man. Supposed to see it, that will go there, cover up. You can see Magnic from that side. So switch. You can drive all the way up. Huh? First time I going on top there, First time I going on top there. The people up there.
Right on top.
Right, on top there. Okay, that is the Caribbean Sea.
Yeah.
And that is the... See how rough it is? But looking scary, Watch what they come. Hi. Okay, we reach. Right up. See you. Follow us if you're ready. We reach. You see. That's it right there. Ready. See. What is that? What is that now? Oui. Alors, nous allons nous dire, ouais. come on top soon. Yeah man, if I want to go. You like the view? You like the view?
Tino! Girly! Tino! Tino the watching man. Tino stick with. Tino stick watching the little boat way.
I take your picture again. Where is it? You enjoying the view? The view, eh? Yeah, first time I come on top there. Yeah, I never knew up there was beautiful, so no way. I seen that on vlogs, on videos. I never knew up there was so. But at least I get to experience it on my own. You check? Yeah, we enjoy seeing that beautiful. Bam, bam. So where you say we're going on top? Yeah, I'll go on top and see how on top. Unless we're going to go more higher up. We're going to go more higher to see the view. We're going to see the view going higher. You light on top. Dino, you enjoy the view? You enjoy the view over there? Let's go. Let's go, we're going higher. We're going higher. Little short trail. Finally reach you, boy. Boy, yo. A little trail. We go a little higher. That is where we come out. And it's getting dark. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oops. Go to them. Sit down there. Il est plat, humain. People come just like that view. Yeah. Come up. You want to come up? Yeah, if that is fall, you will good time you will. Oh, that is fall fast. It was right. Usually right. That's why you're going to Bubble Beach.
Bubble Beach, huh?
Yeah, I don't see fast. Beach Spa. There's a Catholic church. Nice church, right? Nice Catholic church. Wow. Lovely church. Bubble bit this way. That is. Touch it, touch it. It said bubbling. Hot. Can feel the heat. Can feel the heat there. Huh? How is it? You can push up. Come there.
Yes, you can do there. Chuck your foot under the sun and you come from. Chuck your foot under the sun. Hot.
Jenny, come and try that. Boy, chuck your foot under the sun. Oh, yeah. Come. Don't do try. No, like, push your foot under the sun. What? You're too big. You want to be vleti, papa? Sure, man. Oh, let's go in the hot water. Over there. So, I just buy a Carib in the bar over there. Maybe. And also, taking a little water bath. A little hot water and things. It's too hot? It's hot? Boy, you like that? Don't drink that. Don't drink the water, boy. Hot water, boy. Sophie Edison B, boy. Scott said, boy.
Oh, so the combo come if anything? What? Before I used to come by a fire and a drumstick, you went from there.
That is the time. We just reach home. We had a good time. You know, I hope you all enjoyed the latest vlog. Not much. Yeah. We go there a little later, I find. Should I go there more earlier? I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and know yourself. Sophia Star, Beach, Bubble Beach. So enjoy yourself, do whatever you want. And then really be just outside. That is. So thanks for coming along with us on the journey. You know, any service on this day, I don't.